I've always just been fascinated by marriage. I've always been very excited. I think I'm definitely a Bombay girl. I think I'd want to stay at home with Papa in the same house or building somewhere. Since I was young, with my friends, we'd do like acting of like shadi.
You believe it's difficult to keep relationships simple in these times?
No.
Kyun?
I mean, I don't think it's complicated if you don't make it complicated. I'm quite straightforward who as a person. I don't like grey areas, so I don't think it's not difficult here. You just have to say how you feel. If you don't say how you feel, then I think it complicates situations.
देखो, Gen Zs जो होते हैं, I'm 45, so I want to understand. देखो, बहुत से लोग कहते हैं कि I want to get married and then have kids. कुछ लोग कहते हैं I want to have kids, so I want to get married. कुछ लोग कहते हैं I'm okay having kids and I don't want to marry, you know. And some people say I want to marry but not have kids. What is genuinely something that you relate to in these situations? जो मैंने आपसे कहा, खुशी.
I don't think there's any right or wrong way of choosing to go about your life the way you want to. But I think since I was young, I've always dreamed of just having a big wedding, and I don't know, Janvi has a very specific thing of I'm going to move to Tirupati and live with my kids and husband over there.
And do malish.
Yeah.
बड़ा, you know that कि नहीं? बताओ उनको.
She said she wants to live in Tirupati and wear mogras in her hair and do champi on her husband's head and have her children eating on banana leaves.
आपका क्या है? आपका वो idea क्या है?
I think I also kind of envision a life similar to that. I think I'm definitely a Bombay girl. I think I'd want to stay at home with Papa in the same house or building somewhere and have like a family. I want 2 kids, my husband, and many dogs. And I think that's just kind of how I envision my future.
उसमें चंपी होगा कि नहीं?
नहीं.
तो मैंने वो जानवी का जो चंपी है वो आपके विश लिस्ट में नहीं है?
That is for her. मैं कुछ अलग कर लूँगी.
How sweet यार. तो आपने कहा पापा के साथ, मैंने पापा के साथ घर में कि उसी बिल्डिंग में आप कह रही हैं?
उसी बिल्डिंग में.
और ये पहला विजन कब आया? This is so beautiful, right? You have your own life etched. कब आया ये? बचपन से ही था ये thought कि अब हुआ है?
I don't know. I think I've always just been fascinated by marriage. I've always been very excited. So since I was young, with my friends, we'd do like acting of like shadi and the veil and the chudas and all. So I think that's just something since I was small was always very exciting to me. I mean, I think it's different for every person. Every person will have a different opinion on how they want their life to play out. And obviously you can't control circumstances and you can't decide how your life is going to go. But I think it's sweet to have an imagination of what you think it will be.